Apache Kafka is great for streaming data, but managing data structure, schemas, across producers and consumers is risky. Without schema enforcement, one team might change a message format. Another team's consumer might break silently. What is Schema Registry? Schema Registry is a central repository that stores and validates Avro, or protobuf JSON schema, message structures. Use case: enforce data consistency across microservices. Support backward-forward compatibility. Track versions of schema automatically. Setting up Confluent Kafka on Docker. You'll need Kafka, Zookeeper, Schema Registry, and Control Center. Here's the Docker compose.yml. Services. Zookeeper. Image: Confluenting CP Zookeeper. Coordinates Kafka brokers. Kafka. Image: Confluenting CP Kafka. Message broker with dual listeners. Localhost 9092 for host access. Kafka 29092 for Docker internal use. Schema Registry. Image: Confluenting CP Schema Registry. Stores and validates Avro schemas. Listens on localhost 8081. Control Center. Image: Confluenting CP Enterprise Control Center. Visual Kafka dashboard on localhost 9021. All services of Confluent Kafka are already up and running. I am shutting it down. Now make all services up again. All started. HTTP localhost 8081 Schema Registry. HTTP localhost 9021 Control Center. HTTP Kafka 9021 Control Center. Spring Boot plus Avro plus Kafka POM. XML configures Avro serialization and schema registry integration. The Avro Maven plugin automatically generates Java classes from Avro schemas, employee.avsc. The Kafka Avro Serializer ensures messages serialized with Avro can be sent to Kafka while being registered in Schema Registry. The Schema Registry client, Kafka Schema Registry client, allows schema retrieval and management directly. Clean the project and build again to generate the class. Run the application. Change topic name to I to Avro. REST endpoint, post events. Spring Boot accepts this JSON, converts it to employee, generated from Avro, serializes it via Avro, and sends it to Kafka. Schema Registry stores the schema automatically if not already present. C. It is tracking schema of the request event. With version 1. The Avro schema defines an employee record, namespace, com.im.dato, helps organize schema versions. Fields define employee attributes. Defaults, middle name, email ID, ensure backward compatibility. Here I am changing email ID to see auto version change in schema registry. How schema registry manages multiple versions. Producer sends data using new schema. Schema registry compares the new schema with previous versions. If the schema is compatible, it registers as next version under the subject, employee. Consumers can still fetch older versions using Schema Registry's API. How to verify versions in Schema Registry? You can check registered versions with bash curl-x get http localhost 8081 subjects employee versions. Let's change the request by changing email_ID to emailid. And we need to verify whether Schema Registry is tracking the schema or not. Haha, smiling face with open mouth and smiling eyes. It is tracking the schema. To version created.